Hello and welcome to FieldBoss. Today, I will explain how to create bookable resources. Bookable resources represent FieldBoss users and equipment that you schedule onto jobs. Each resource has different attributes that distinguish them from others and include certifications and skills in the characteristics box, the types of work they can take on as well as their job titles in the categories box, as well as other pieces of information such as organizational units, location, and resource type. You do not have to create bookable resources for every FieldBoss user. For example, salespeople or dispatch workers who do not get assigned to specific jobs do not need to become bookable resources. To see all your resources, you need to first switch to the FB Resource Scheduling app from the Dynamics 365 drop-down menu. You can access this menu by clicking the downward arrow beside the FieldBoss logo. Then, click the FB Resource Scheduling tab that emerges. Once you are here, click the Resources button on the far left menu pane. On this tab, you should now be able to see a full list of all your active resources. If you want to see inactive resources, you can do so by clicking the Active Bookable Resources button and then switching the view to Inactive Bookable Resources. To create a new resource, click on the New button on your top menu pane. Next, choose the user you wish to make a resource for. For example, I will make one for Brian Colbert. After that, ensure that the time zone is set correctly before moving to the Scheduling tab. Once you are on the Scheduling tab, you should set the resource's start and end locations. They could be location agnostic, tied to their home address, or assigned to the organizational unit's address. This will affect how you view the resource in a map view, as well as how field service workers enter their time. Next, choose their organizational unit or the division of your company under which your field service worker spends most of their time working in. For this example, I will set this field worker to the New York division. Finally, decide if you want this resource to appear on the schedule board and decide if you want them to be a searchable resource. A searchable resource is one which shows up as available upon searching for available contract workers in the schedule board. Once you are done, hit save and your bookable resource should be created. You should now be able to see the resource you created in the active bookable resources list. You should also be able to see them in the schedule board. You should now feel comfortable creating bookable resources. If you want to learn more, reach out to your FieldBoss consultant or check out some of our other videos. Thank you for watching.